Hello, Ara. Good afternoon. Happy birthday. No, reminiscing the past. Talagang ang saya ng high school days natin, di ba? Naalala ko nung socialization, di ba? Social gathering. Magka-partner tayo sa balloon bursting, remember? I'll never forget that moment. Muntik tayo nanalo pero pinatalo. Anyway, just wanna say happy birthday. My heart cannot contain my happiness. Being your friend, di ba? These heavenly similitudes cannot express how I feel. With the moments we are together in just perfection, di ba? It's really an opportunity to be with you. Though, 1 year lang. Di ba, Kaara? So, I just wanna say good luck. And always remember, the love of God constraineth you. Wherever you go, just look upward, di ba? Ijay adapin Lord. He will always help you. Whenever you are down, He's always ready to be with you. Will lift you up. And sana don't change. Don't ever change. Darating yung araw, magiging successful nurse ka na, di ba? Nursing student. Sana wag mo kalimutan si Pastor Rosler. Happy birthday!